Imagine this, something goes wrong and instantly everyone freezes. Why? Because we all know the question is coming. Whose fault is this? Hello everyone, Arif here. Have you ever noticed what happens when something goes wrong at work, team, or in a relationship? The first reaction is often to look for someone to blame. But as Steve Taylor, Senior EHS Risk Manager, puts it, blame may give a short-term sense of control, but it blocks the insight we need to improve. You see, when people feel safe to speak up, we learn earlier, act faster, and build a stronger team and system. But blame feels like it gives you control, but it actually does the opposite. It makes people stay quiet, hide mistakes, and stop sharing what really happened. That means the same problems keep coming back and we never get better. So how do we change this? It starts with how we respond when things don't go to plan. You see, the difference between a high-performing team and a struggling one isn't that they never make mistakes. It's how they react when they do. You see, next time when you find yourself in this situation, instead of jumping into judgment, try these two simple questions. It helps. What were you trying to achieve in that moment? And what in the system made this outcome more likely? These questions shifts the whole conversation. Instead of focusing on who to blame, we get curious about what really happened. They help us see the real root causes, unclear procedures, too much time pressure, or issues between team members. And the best part, you don't need huge overhauls. Just pick one small practical step, clarify a rule, improve a tool, or fix issues between team members. Small changes like this reduce risk and makes it easier for everyone to succeed. This all comes down to one thing: building a culture where people feel safe to speak up. So ask yourself, in my team or relationship, what makes it easy or hard to say something when things don't feel right? You see, coaching isn't about catching people out. It's about replacing blame with curiosity and turning every challenge into a chance to learn. When we do that, we don't just fix problems, we build a stronger, safer, and more capable teams. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more practical ways to build better workplace, more successful teams, and a good relationship. And thank you for watching this. See you in the next one.